Hydrogen. The chemical element hydrogen is classed as a non-metal. It can become metallic at very high pressures. It was discovered in 1766 by Henry Cavendish. Classification. Hydrogen is a non-metal. It can become metallic at very high pressures. Color. It's colorless. Atomic weight 1.0079. State gas. Melting point 259.14 degrees Celsius. Boiling point 252.87 degrees Celsius. Electrons 1. Protons 1. Neutrons 0. Characteristics. Hydrogen is the simplest element of all and the lightest. It is also by far the most common element in the universe. Over 90% of the atoms in the universe are hydrogen. In its common form, hydrogen atom is made of one proton, one electron and no neutron. Hydrogen is the only element that can exist without neutrons. Hydrogen is a colorless, odorless gas which exists at standard temperature and pressure as diatomic molecules. H2. It burns and forms explosive mixtures in air and it reacts violently with oxidants. Uses of hydrogen. Large quantities of hydrogen are used in the production of ammonia. Ammonia is used for fertilizer. Ammonia is also used for refrigerant gas for purification of water supplies and in the manufacture of plastic, explosive, textiles, pesticide, dyes and other chemicals. It is found in many household and industrial solvent cleaning solutions. Hydrogenation of fats and oils, methanol production, hydrocracking and hydropressurization. Hydrogen is also used in metal purifying. Liquid hydrogen. Liquid hydrogen is used as a rocket fuel, for example, powering the space shuttle liftoff and ascent to orbit. Liquid hydrogen and oxygen are held in the shuttle's large external fuel tank. On Earth, the major location of hydrogen is water. There is little free hydrogen on Earth because hydrogen is so light that it is not held by the planet's gravity. Any hydrogen that forms eventually escapes from the atmosphere into space. Although hydrogen is usually a non-metal, it becomes a liquid metal when enormous pressure is applied to it. Such pressures are found within gas giants such as Jupiter and Saturn. Jupiter's high magnetic field, 14 times from Earth, is believed to be caused by a dynamo effect resulting from electrically conducting metallic hydrogen circulating as the planet rotates. At the moment, however, the hydrogen for hydrogen-powered cars is produced from hydrocarbons. Only when solar or wind energy, for example, can be used commercially to split water into hydrogen and oxygen will a true hydrogen economy be possible.